Hi, Algebra 1 student. Welcome. Today you're going to be completing a work audit to complete revision. Here's a short video to assist you with the document that you're going to be using. So this document is linked in Google Classroom. You'd go there and you find it. And once you have found it, here's how you use it. Now notice that at the bottom of your document, you are seeing two tabs. One is for Unit 1, the other one is for Unit 2. And that is just in case you want to go back and revise anything in Unit 1. So currently it's opened on Unit 1. What you would do is you're going to slide over and you're going to find the score for each of your graded CFUs in Google Classroom. So you would go to your classroom. Mine is from the teacher's perspective, so it's not going to look the same. You're going to find the week and the graded CFU. You will open it and you're going to view the assignment. When you view the assignment, it's going to give you the score for that assignment. That score you would record here. So say, for example, you got an 82%. That is not something you want to revise, so you would say no. And you're going to do that for all your graded CFUs. Once you're done, so say, for example, the second one, I didn't do a really good job on that, so I got a 60%. So yes, I want to review that. That should be a yes. Yes, I want to review that. When you're done, you will click on the revision document here that walks you through the different steps that you need to take in order to revise a CFU. So as we said, go to Google Classroom. You're going to check your grade that we just did. You're going to find the CFU and find your score. You have your score there. This one I didn't do really good on it. So for any graded CFU that you have a score 75 or below, you are going to complete the checklist. So one, you have to complete your test corrections. And this template is going to be provided by your teacher. So the way you use the template is you're going to indicate the learning target that you are correcting, the CFU for the learning target you are correcting. So whether it's a learning target from Unit 1 or 2, you're going to explain the mistake you made. So for example, in question 1, I forgot to use function notation to write my function. I did this. Here on the right side, you're going to do the corrected math work or show the correct answer to the problem, whatever steps are involved. And you're going to do that for all the questions that you need to correct. So you're doing this for both Unit 1 and Unit 2. So if you have no corrections in Unit 1, you want to proceed to Unit 2, you're going to do the same thing where you are going to submit the scores if it's graded, if it's missing. No, that one is missing, so I won't revise, but I definitely know that that's an indication for me to do. I got 75% on this, but I still may want to revise it. I also missed this week, and I have not taken my performance task. So those are indications for things that you need to make up or use the time to get done. Hope this was helpful.